Alright guys, welcome back. So we haven't made a video in a long time, but we are going to be making some videos soon, because soon we are going to be traveling back to the Philippines. Oh man, I can't wait. But anyway, so today we're out and about. We're going to eat at this place over here. It's a burger place. Let me zoom in. We're going to eat here, okay?
Looks like that.
Alright guys, our food is here. And whoa, that was crunchy. He's eating an onion ring.
Good.
First time trying an onion ring. My wife has the onion ring there.
Good.
She got the patty melt burger with the onion rings, some dip, a little dill pickle. My son got the
Are you drinking
kind of
regular
like
Pepsi
yes,
and strawberry lemonade?
Yes.
We'll get those right up.
and he has the chicken tenders there. Of course, you know the kids' classic chicken tender and fries. I got the burger with tomatoes, lettuce, onion, cheese. Got the pickles here and got the vegetables. And I already ate some of the salad. So we're gonna go eat. Let's try this burger. Put you guys right here. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go.
Want to try my onion ring?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
it?
Try the onion.
Thank you.
Everybody doing okay right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Onion ring is really good. Okay. Very crispy.
So good, huh?
Yeah. They didn't like overcook it. Oh wow. Very good. I'm going to eat, guys. But look at that burger. I'm going to go ahead and eat. See you guys in a minute. Trying to find a parking space. My wife already went over there to the Bath and Body. Yeah, I may get something like that. A 54-inch, $4,000 time cutter. Yeah. Cause see the deck. These are very sturdy and durable decks. Versus these round type of deck right here. You don't want that. Okay. No.
Look at the car. Look.
Oh, that car?
That car.
That Porsche? Yeah.
Yeah, be with that car.
Okay.
Be with that car.
Let's go inside. All right. So now we're at Lowe's because we got to get our hot water heater is going out. So we need to figure out how much it's going to cost and if they will bring it and install it. I'm trying to get some prices. Either I'm gonna have them, either I'm gonna buy it and then have someone else install it, or have them do it all at once. So we need to go where the hot water heaters are. Hot water heater. Look how this kitchen's set up here. Island. Sink. I may end up changing our faucet out to something like that. Look at the ovens, man. Look at that. Oven just built in on the side.
See that? Look.
Yeah. Look at this refrigerator. Look Look at that. Ow, ow. No, this stays like that because that's how it opens. Okay, and then.
If we do like this.
Okay, and then you have this. It's like a clear. It's like a see-through drawer deal. Look at that. Oh, it's a wine rack.
Look. Look, if you close it, it's like that.
Yeah, this is a wine and soda rack. Look at that. So you can see through it. Oh, there's another one here.
Oh,
Look at that. And then you can see. You can see the sodas and everything in there. And then you have this. All right. Let's go over here. It's another big kitchen. Look at this. Big island. It's nice how they, you know, when you got an island and they move the sink here, you have all this counter space. There's no sink over there. Right here. This is a nice one here.
oh, look.
Yeah, we may change. We're definitely going to change our faucet out in the kitchen to something like this. Yeah.
Oh, yes, wait. If you go like this, look.
Yep. Okay, go over here. Okay. 40 gallon. This is a gas. These must be all gas over here. Electric heat pump. Natural gas. Where's the electric? Electric, okay. Yeah. Because people that are into hunting, people that are hunting they will definitely like that. They put their deer and everything they catch. But we're going over here. Here's a 40 gallon, 40. We need like a 53. Oh, then they have this right here. Electric tankless water heater. How much is this? 400? I wonder if we can have this installed instead. No, let me take a picture of this. I wonder if we can have this installed.
Special assistance needed at the remedy. Special assistance needed at the remedy.
Maybe I'll get that installed. That's electric. Same day or next day installation available at Lowe's. Right there. Okay. And then you have this. 600. 19 gallon. Oh, that must be down there. There's something 19 gallon. Wow. We may end up switching to this. May end up switching to that. Oh, this is 50 gallon. Okay. 50, 50, 50, 50. These are all 50s. Okay. 800, 800, 900. Electric. 300. These are 40s. So they don't get any bigger than this at Lowe's.
Daddy, what's editing means? What's editing means?
Okay, so we're gonna ask someone about this one and about this. Okay. So yeah. Okay, let's find somebody. All right, guys, we're back at home. But look what we found. What is it?
Four-leaf clover. That's lucky.
Okay, get it. Pick the bottom of it.
Whoa. It's a good one too. It's long.
We need to put it.
Mommy just looked down and she seen it. Let's see. Let's see.
Whoa.
Let's see. Oh, cool. For a leaf.
Keep in the wallet.
Mm-hmm.
Well, when I look down, I see it.
Just right.
All right. So
All of it on that.
we just went and got some prices on. We gotta get another hot water heater because our hot water heater's going out. We got some prices on kitchen faucet. We're gonna change our kitchen faucet to like a big sprayer type. And yeah, we're just getting prices on everything. So when we start doing some work on the house, we'll have it all together. And our garage door. So there's an issue. You guys been seeing me lift up the garage door sometime. Well, there's been an issue with that. The door is old, it's cracking, and I can't hook it up to the pulley system, because if it gets pulled by the pulley system, it's just gonna rip. It's gonna tear up. So I just been hand moving it, and man, my son left everything in here. But yeah, so we're just getting things together, and then once I get all the prices for everything, we're just gonna, take some money and go get it fixed. I mean, what you got? This, what we have to do. We got a house, right? All right, guys. So that's it for today's vlog. We're gonna go ahead and relax, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So we gotta get up and go do some grocery shopping, but I was checking my lottery numbers. I'm gonna show you guys how close I was to winning, like, for $2,000, $200,000. Real quick. So here's the numbers. I circled it right here. I was so close. Just needed 2 more numbers here. So close. Well, just keep trying. But I did win $15. I spent $5, but I won 15, so I actually won $10. Well, I'm going to play it back and try again, right? But I'm going to show you the total amount of the winnings if I was to win. 324,500. I can do a lot with that. Yep, I was so close. 3, 7, 12. Let's see, on that one line I had 3. I did have 3. I had 12, and I had 41. Let's see what we got over here. We got some mixed vegetable, stir-fried mixed vegetable. And I got the little grill set up, and this is what we're frying out here. Got some fish, some tilapia, and this is like the red tilapia. We got this from Costco. We've been trying to find the regular, what is it, like a gray or dark black tilapia, but we can't find it. So we got this red tilapia. We're frying it out here. Go ahead. Not done. I'm gonna let my wife do this because she knows how to do this. Babe, come check this.
Gotta go and put this in here. Here we go. Now I need a star. Got it. I'm gonna use my
Yes.
Okay.
Vegetable.
Check this out. Got the other half in there. And we have this half here. Crispy.
Oh, how can move? It's dead, bro. How can
What are you doing?
No, move it.
It's dead.
No,
Trying to
this.
poke it?
No, I'm not trying to.
Mmm. Right here. Tastes like vinegar. It's a strong vinegar taste, but it's good. Very good.